Before we continue watching this video, I want you to please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. So today we will do the unboxing video of my new Chanel purse. I'm so excited. How about you guys? I'm so happy to finally own one of my dream purse. So I actually purchased this Chanel purse during the quarantine and before the price increase. So then it's home delivery and we got also a message from Chanel. So let's read it up. Chanel, from our house to yours, preserving your health and the health and well-being of our teams is at heart of our concern during this time. All necessary sanitary measures have therefore been taken during this home delivery. Today, more than ever, we value the trust you have placed in the House of Chanel and hope that your recent purchases are to your satisfaction. We look forward to seeing you again in our boutiques. In the meantime, hashtag stay home with Chanel. Like this, guys. It's so nice. So, this purse, yep, you see the title, the unboxing of new Chanel Classic Flap Jumbo or Large 30 centimeter. Are you ready? I'm so excited. It comes with camellia, flowers, and the ribbon. It's so pretty. Take out the camellia and let's open the ribbon. 1, 2, 3. I'm so nervous because it's like one of my dream purse. Okay. Gonna put it on here. Here is the box. You see? Still with the sticker on. Now we can open it. It's so nice. It's the little things in life that we can appreciate and we can do the unboxing video slowly but also enjoying what we have and be grateful of what we have. That's so nice. So comment below what is your dream bag or dream purse and what is your favorite Chanel purse. Here is the purse, guys. Inside it. Before we open this, I'm gonna show you what I have here. This one. It's my receipt, I believe. And also the authenticity card. And I have a booklet. So let's open this one. Okay. I'm gonna put this here. It's the dust bag. It said Chanel, and inside this it's my new purse. Okay, open it. They wrap it nicely, even the chain. I'm gonna put the dust bag here. Wow. I'm gonna unwrap the chain. nice, guys. Wow, here it is. The Star is Born. So I got the Chanel caviar leather with silver hardware in black color because it's so classic. It's just forever style, and then you can use it for dress up or dress down. You can use it anywhere to your formal event or your casual event or just everyday use, right? You will need a bag or a purse that is so useful that you can use it every day. I'm so speechless. It's so beautiful. It still has protective film here. Still has protective film, so we're just gonna open it. Wow. Here, let me show you guys. This is the purse. As you can see, it's so nice. I'm just gonna do this dance. It's so nice because I'm so happy. Okay, so it's double flap, so one flap, second flap, and on the first flap it has a compartment that you can put your love letter here. Okay, and it's in burgundy color. It's made in Italy. And it has some stuff here, and you can actually put the lipstick here. Your lipstick, there's the lipstick to put the lipstick on. It has another compartment here, and it's Chanel Paris. And I'm gonna show you the behind and the front. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna wear it. Since I'm like 5'4", so I will be able to rest my arm here on the back, but also you can use another style like this. You can see this, but somehow I prefer use it like this. It's just more classic, more dressy, because I mostly use dress, but you basically can use this purse for formal event or casual event. That's the good thing about this purse. This is like classic flap, classic forever. So if you want to invest in a purse, you want to buy a purse, please kindly thinking also about the long-term use, whether you want to use for long-term or you want to resell it again. But I'm sure that the resale value of this purse is pretty good because the price is keep increasing. And so then whenever you got a chance to purchase this purse, you can actually just buy it and use it for the long term. That's the good thing. And the black color will give it eternal value, and you can use it practically with any shirt, any dress, because black is neutral. So yeah, it's so pretty. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful to be able to finally have one of my dream purse, and I'm so happy and grateful to share this unboxing experience with you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and you can also watch my other videos, and I will review this purse after I use it for some time. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.